Cooking, where you see cooking from my point of view. In today's special episode, we're going to make something that was going to go perfect with the beer bread that I made in episode 92. And that is a spinach dip. What we like to do is, if we're having a party, is I'll make the beer bread and we'll kind of cut it up into cubes or into nice little bite-sized chunks. We make this wonderful spinach dip to go with it, and that way you can just kind of spoon it on. And I'll tell you what, my kids gobble it up. Anytime we have company and we make this dish, they absolutely love it. And here are the ingredients. We have 3 green onions or scallions. These are just the tops, finely chopped. We have 1 package of the Knorr vegetable recipe mix. Now, I don't normally like to show brand names, but this is the stuff right here. This works perfect for this dish. 1 cup of mayonnaise, 16 ounces or 1 pound of sour cream, and this is 1 frozen box of the chopped spinach. Now, what you want to do for your chopped spinach, I always kind of put it, it's got a lot of water in it, a lot of water. Once you get it thawed out, just kind of put it in a strainer, push it with your spoon a little bit. You're still not going to get all the moisture out of it that way, so we're going to come back to that in a second. Let's get started with mixing this dish together. What you do, just get you a nice sized bowl. We're just going to combine all of our ingredients here. Our 1 package or 16 ounce, 1 pound of sour cream in our bowl. Our 1 cup of mayonnaise right in our bowl. 3 scallions or green onion tops, finely chopped. Our Knorr vegetable recipe mix. It's a nice little powder. We're going to just pour that right in. And finally, our spinach. Now, our spinach, you got to make sure you get all the liquid out of the spinach. By doing it this way, you're going to get out most of the water. You want to make sure you get it all. So take like a cheesecloth or an old rag. I'm just going to use an old towel here. We're going to put that right in the middle. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bunch this all up. Just kind of twist it. And you're going to see all that liquid is going to come right out. Give it a quick squeeze. And boom, I can hear my popped a hole. My wife loves Dr. Pimple Popper. So she would love that right there. She'd push it right out through there. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to untwist this, break, look at that nice little ball. We're going to break this right up here in our dish. And then mix all this together. You can see the consistency, looks great. It's now I'm going to chill this back down. This is one of those dishes where you don't want to just mix it up and eat it. You want to mix it up, you want to cover it, put it in the fridge, and let it set at least an hour. So my daughter's on her way home, her and her boyfriend. She wanted beer bread, so she gets what she wants. So when she gets here, we'll see how this turned out. So I have been joined by my lovely daughter, Allison, to try the spinach dip. And as you can see, I've got the spinach dip in a really fancy bowl, don't I, sis?
Yes.
All right. So this is Allison's favorite, so I know she's already going to like it. Get your little spoon there, grab your little piece of bread, and you can describe the flavor that you're going to savor.
That's stupid.
Alright. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
That's all you got to say about that, isn't it? Because it's
I
good.
want to hold my mouth full.
Oh, I do it all the time. People, they like to see that. Alright, let me say.
I feel like I just heard myself chew.
Alright, Miss Chatty. Is it good?
Yes.
This is one of your favorites, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why?
It's good.
I love asking you
It's
questions.
creamy.
Right when you put the food in your mouth, I like asking you questions. So anyway, it's good stuff. Trust me, pairs well. Am I getting any spittle on you?
I don't think so.
Pairs perfect with the beer bread. So make this. You're going to love it. Easy to make. And again, thanks for watching POV Italian Cooking. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, plus LinkedIn. Is there any other social media? Oh yeah, Tumblr.
You have a Tumblr?
Yeah, you forgot. You didn't know that? You don't know your stepdad.
I don't know how to use Tumblr. That's true.
I have nothing to say about that. Most importantly, click the subscribe button in YouTube and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Ciao. Oh, I'm good for.
I'm a YouTube star.